Hi everyone! It's great to have you with me again. How are you doing today? I hope you're feeling good and ready to learn something new. Today, we're continuing our journey through Study Skills 1. In the last 4 lessons, we learned useful vocabulary about research, critical thinking, presentations, and exams. Now, it's time to put those words into practice. In today's reading, you'll see these words in real sentences and a simple story. I'll guide you through the reading, explain the important vocabulary, and help you understand the text step by step. So, take out your notebook, get ready to learn, and let's jump into today's lesson. Lesson 5. Study Skills Book 1. 1. Outline. Plan. 2. Draft. Version. 3. Paragraph. Section. 4. Introduction. Opening. 5. Conclusion. Ending. 6. Argument. Claim. 7. Evidence. Proof. 8. Example. Instance. 9. Support. Backup. 10. Develop. Expand. Lesson 6. Study Skills 1. 1. Listen. Hear. 2. Speaker. Presenter. 3. Lecture. Talk. 4. Note-taking. Recording. 5. Important. Significant. 6. Point. Idea. 7. Explain. Clarify. 8. Repeat. Say again. 9. Example. Illustration. 10. Summarize. Review. Lesson 7. Study Skills 1. 1. Memory. Recall. 2. Memorize. Learn. 3. Recall. Remember. 4. Review. Revise. 5. Practice. Training. 6. Flashcard. Study card. 7. Repeat. Rehearse. 8. Association. Connection. 9. Familiar. Known. 10. Retain. Keep. Lesson 8. Study Skills 1. 1. Time management. Time planning. 2. Priority. Importance. 3. Schedule. Timetable. 4. Deadline. Due date. 5. Organize. Arrange. 6. Plan. Prepare. 7. Task. assignment. 8. Efficient, effective. 9. Productive, effective. 10. Procrastinate, delay. Lesson 9. Research, investigation. 2. Source, reference. 3. Reliable, trustworthy. 4. Website, web page. 5. Article, paper. 6. Author, writer. 7. Information, data. 8. Search, look for. 9. Evaluate, assess. 10. Relevant, related. Lesson 10. Critical, analytical. 2. Opinion, view. 3. Fact, truth. 4. Evidence, proof. 5. Compare, contrast. 6. Analyze, examine. 7. Question, query. 8. Reason, cause. 9. Conclusion, result. 10. Judgment, decision. Lesson 11. Presentation, talk. 2. Audience, listeners. 3. Prepare, get ready. 4. Practice, rehearse. 5. Confident, self-assured. 6. Introduce, present. 7. Explain, clarify. 8. Visual, graphic. 9. A slide, a screen. 10. Communicate, convey. Lesson 12. 1. Exam, test. 2. Revision, review. 3. Prepare, get ready. 4. Question, query. 5. Answer, response. 6. Strategy, method. 7. Concentrate, focus. 8. Relax, rest. 9. Stress, pressure. 10. Perform, do. Reading, preparing for success. Emma is a university student who has an important exam next week. She knows that good preparation is the key to success. So, she decides to make a clear study plan. First, Emma starts her research. She looks for useful information on different websites and reads several articles. She always checks the source and asks herself whether the information is reliable and relevant. While studying, Emma uses critical thinking. She doesn't believe every piece of information. Immediately, She tries to analyze the ideas, compare different opinions, and look for evidence to support the facts. After finishing her research, Emma prepares a short presentation for her classmates. She thinks about her audience and organizes her ideas carefully. She practices several times because she wants to feel confident during her presentation. On the day of the exam, Emma tries to stay calm. She reads every question carefully before choosing an answer. When she feels a stress, she takes a deep breath and tries to concentrate. At the end of the exam, Emma feels happy because she knows she did her best. She has learned an important lesson. Good preparation, critical thinking, and confidence can help us achieve our goals. Remember, prepare well, think critically, stay confident, and never stop learning. Reading 2. Study Skills Book 1. The Mystery of the Old Library. Liam was a young university student who loved discovering new things. One afternoon, while he was studying in an old university library, he found a strange handwritten note inside an old book. The note contained a mysterious message. The answer is hidden where knowledge begins. Liam became curious. He decided to do some research to find out who had written the note. He searched different websites, read several articles, and checked every source carefully. He wanted to make sure that the information he found was reliable and relevant. Soon, Liam discovered that the old library had a secret room that had been closed for many years. But there was a problem. He found several different stories about the room. Some people said it contained valuable books, while others believed it contained an old university treasure. Liam used critical thinking. He decided to compare the stories and analyze the available evidence. Finally, he found an old photograph that gave him an important clue. The next morning, Liam prepared a short presentation about his discovery for his professor. He practiced several times because he wanted to feel confident. During the presentation, his professor looked surprised. She said, "Liam, this is much more than an ordinary research project. You may have discovered something very important." The next day, Liam entered the old library again. He followed the clues and finally found the secret room. Inside, there was an old wooden box. Liam opened it slowly. Inside the box was a collection of ancient books and a letter from the university's first professor. Liam couldn't believe his eyes. He had solved the mystery. The experience taught Liam an important lesson. Good research, critical thinking, preparation, and confidence can help you discover amazing things.